Adamazi TV. The election proper has started. We are bringing you the live coverage as the election goes. Please stay tuned. Please kindly share the link. Buy better phone, you no go buy better phone. Buy better phone, you no go buy better phone. This one. Network dey come. Please sorry for the breaking transmission.
Facebook man. Says I'm again.
I'm having network problem.
Fine now. You drop it now. It's nice.
Adamazi should drop it yes, because if she never drop it, because she had others.